Chef. Today I'm gonna do a blueberry pancake. So I'm gonna show you mainly how to plate up the blueberry pancake, how we're gonna present really well. So if you wanna find out how to make a pancake batter, please watch my other video how to make a pancake batter. It's a butter pancake, and you're gonna find out how to make it. Now I'm gonna show you that how to do a blueberry pancake with the fresh blueberry. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients: fresh blueberry and mascarpone cheese and the maple syrup and icing sugar for the garnish. This is the plate I'm gonna use to plate it up. You can choose any plate you want, and I just want to mention you that this is fresh blueberry, but I'm not a fan of tin blueberry. If you want to buy a tin of blueberry, you can go to a supermarket, buy it. It's already soaked in the sugar syrup. I'm not a fan of tin stuff, so I'm gonna do a fresh strawberry. This is good for the kids. Make sure guys use fresh stuff at all the time. So my pan is already heating up there. Then I'm gonna show you how to do a pancake base. Then I'm gonna show you how to prepare the blueberry pancake. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the base for the pancake with my batter already made. First of all, you heat up the pan and use the oil spray. Make sure you take out the pan from the stove, otherwise you're gonna catch the fire. It's for the safety reason. Safety is important, guys. So you're gonna all the spray and heat it up the pan. As you see, already pan heated. Now I'm gonna put the batter into the pan. Make sure you cover the bottom of the pan, so that's the right amount to make the pancake. It's gonna depend you guys, because you're gonna use a different type of pan. That's fine with that, but make sure you cover the bottom of the pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna flip it over. And make sure you use the low flame to cook this one, and make sure you put the right amount of grease and let it cook. And see, after a couple of minutes we're gonna flip it over. And yeah, okay, look, this is the stage we're gonna flip the pancake to the other side. See, as you can see, around the pancakes the color change, and you can see the bubbles, air bubbles coming up through the pancake. Then you're gonna flip it over. So this is how it's gonna be. Yes, that's how it is. Look at that color. That's a perfect color. It's beautiful. So let it cook the other side same as this. Then you're gonna get the pancake and plate it out. Look guys, this is nicely cooked. It's the color, you can see how it's nice. The shape of it, it's fluffy, because if you select the right amount of self-raising flour, if you follow my other video, you're gonna get the perfect pancake like this. So it's ready to serve. So I'm gonna grab this one out. 2 stack of pancake is ready. So now I'm gonna plate it up here to present to any guests or friends, or to your girlfriend or to your boyfriend. Please just have a nice close look at how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna grab the pancake. This pancake top is really nice, so I'm gonna plate it up on the top. Then I'm gonna get the mascarpone cheese. Try to make a nice round, so it's a bit I'm trying to make the nice shape of the mascarpone cheese. Put on the middle of the pancake. Then you're gonna add some blueberry all over the plate. So you're gonna add some blueberry nicely. But if you use tin blueberry, you just chuck in the top of the mascarpone cheese, and it's gonna drip in all over. Then you don't have to use the maple syrup. You just serve it at itself. Now I'm gonna use the maple syrup for garnishing up. Then I'm gonna garnish with the icing sugar. Wow. You can enjoy the pancake with your friends or family members. It's ready to serve. So please guys, please do follow me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. And this is how we're doing the blueberry pancake. See you guys. See you with a different video.